So, hey everyone, my name is Vriti. So, today I am going to tell you about Canvas. So, first of all, we will come on Google and search canva.com. So, now we are on the home page. Okay, so it's loading. So, we will discuss about Canvas first. So, in this, there are many types of images you can create like presentation, certificate, Instagram post, card, poster, Zoom virtual background, video, flyer, logo, invitation, your story, resume, postcard, poster, infographic, business card, and many more. So let us start with the easiest one. So we'll go on photo collage. And like I am having some quotes, so I'll put them in this. So first of all, we have to find our templates. Okay, so I think so I should take this one, and after that we will go on upload. Just wait, and then we will click upload media. Then from where you want to take it, you just click on that. Like I want to take from my device, so I'm going to click device, desktop, all files, and now I will search. Like I will take Kuwait 4. Okay, let's open. It will take time to load. Like you can see it's loading. Like I am having this one which I have loaded first. So let me put this. So I will, first of all, you have to delete it. Delete these pictures. Okay, delete this one and delete this. So now like I will take this and I will make it size so that I can put it here. You can put your picture, your family member's picture, any of them you want. So like you can change its setting to, like I want one more, so I will go on my device and I'll just go on desktop and I'll take Poet 1. Let's take an example. Oh, we are having Poet 1. No worries. So this is the easiest step of Canvas. Now we are waiting for that to upload. Like this, it's uploading. And you can see here when it will get upload, you just drag it here and put it. Like I want to put it here and this here. You can put your pictures also. So let me give you one more example. So I will take, let me pick this one only. Now I will go on upload. I am having some pictures. So we'll find them. Okay, just imagine like I want to take this girl one. So I just, and till it's loading, you just Or you can put these only. No need to delete them, but if you want, you can delete. Like now, I will pick this girl and drag and drop it here. So अभी उसके size के हिसाब से set हो चुका है. Now we will again go on upload media. This process will continue again and again. Okay. So you can put any of them, like I am taking this Republic Day one, and I will just wait till it's load, and one more we will take. Just you can take image from Google. Oh, I'm sorry, Instagram, and many more. Like I take this poem one. I am taking any of them. You can take like you want to take from your desktop, from Instagram, from Facebook, from any of them you can take. You'll get the options here. I'll show it again to you. Okay, like the name of this poem is A Ghost. So you can put this too. Like now it's looking good. Like we are having one girl image. You can decorate it. Like you can take your image too, and you can make templates too. So this is all for today, and let me show you the things from where you can take these images from device, from Facebook, from Google Drive, from Instagram, from Dropbox. So now I am going to end this video. So thank you for watching this video, and if you want more for Canvas, you just tell me in the chat. Thank you.